Hola chicos, today we're going to be talking about the verb ir. So el verbo ir. Ir is the infinitive verb. There is no stem. We've been talking about infinitives ending in AR, ER, or IR. This one is just IR. That's the whole verb. And ir means to go. Por ejemplo, in English we would say I go to the park. But in Español, decimos yo voy al parque. Voy is a form of ir. In English we say we go to the movies. En español decimos vamos al cine. So ir, las formas. You use ir plus a to talk about where someone is going. And these are your forms, and this goes along with your worksheet. Yo voy. Tú vas. Él, ella, usted va. Nosotros or nosotras vamos. Ellos, ellas, ustedes van. And then remember, vosotros, vosotras is vais. We only use that in España to say like y'all, you guys, but in a casual way. So, el presente del verbo ir. The verb ir is generally followed by the preposition a or the contraction al. And I'll show you what that looks like. It's like a little math formula. Here are your subject pronouns. You can start with these. You don't have to, because when you conjugate the verb, that tells you who's doing it. But to be careful and to be super specific, I would. So yo, tú, whatever, some form of ir. The next step is your preposition or your contraction. It's either a or al. And then a place. Where are you going? La fiesta. You would say a la fiesta if you're talking about something feminine. Al parque if you're talking about something masculine. So you could go right across the top of this. Yo voy a la fiesta. That's perfect. That would be I go to the party. Or I am going to the party. ¿A dónde vamos? ¿A dónde is a question, and it indicates to where we are going. So ¿a dónde plus some form of ir. You could say ¿a dónde vamos mañana? To where are we going tomorrow? And it sounds a little bit weird in English, but you have to say it that way in Spanish. And then to answer that, you just say mañana nosotros vamos a la fiesta, or say wherever you are going. A dónde no es igual a dónde. Don't confuse these two question words. A dónde is to where, dónde is just where. So, ¿a dónde vamos? Nosotros vamos a la fiesta de cumpleaños de Pedro. That's used correctly in that question. If you want to know just where Pedro is, ¿dónde está Pedro? Pedro está en la escuela. You can't use those two words interchangeably, so don't try to. You're just going to sound silly. So here are some examples of places that you might go. ¿A dónde vas mañana? Using al. Yo voy al médico, al hotel, al dentista, al parque, al cine, al café, al hospital, al restaurante, al supermercado. But sometimes you might want to say, I go to somewhere and it's a feminine noun, so you would have to say a la. And here are some examples. Nosotros vamos a la América, a la biblioteca, a la ciudad, a la oficina, a la dentista, a la iglesia, a la librería, a la playa. All different places that you might go. So, te toca a ti. Take a look kind of at the bottom part of your worksheet. Here are some sentences. See if you can fill in the blanks with the correct form of ir. Pause your video and use your notes to work through this. So you should have come up with Marta y yo vamos a la playa. Mis amigos van a casa. Tú vas al hotel. If you ask the question, ¿a dónde va tu familia? I know that your family has more than just one person in it, but we talk about it as one group. That's why it's va. Lucas va al café. Yo voy al baño. And señora Tegui, señora Bacta y señorita Grow van a España. Okay, practiquen ustedes. Fill in the blank with the correct form of ir in either a la or al. This is your tarea. This is what we'll be checking tomorrow. And then this is also, it goes along with your Google form. So make sure you do that for your teacher as well. Hasta mañana.